Good morning. So it's 25th March, and yeah. For today, I'm looking at Italy. Index at the moment looks nice. We could expect this as the first MB. Let's say pause and the second MB, and it keeps running the all-time highs, or whatever it is. Yeah, probably all-time highs. Spain made a huge push. First MB. Maybe second MB or inside their double MB on 30 minute probably. We'll see. Then Euro stocks looks okay. Also double MB. Looking at Bitcoin as well. Then the Nasdaq and US 500. Both looks very nice. Now flushing down, making some kind of pullback, which would be on 4 hour just small pullback, touch the EMAs, probably something like this, then market opens, New York opens, and we probably see something like this, and we keep going. So that's what I'm expecting from the market. Coffee still not open. Coffee will open in 40 minutes, and yeah, I would expect something like this. Then US 30, same thing as other indices, US indices, and yeah, then DAX a little bit choppy for me. EMA is sloping downwards, doesn't look that great. I would wait for this MB at least to show me strength that it wants to keep on going, because right now it's respecting the EMAs to the downside, and it more likely looks like it will do something like this, the same as did Hong Kong yesterday. We made this MB and I told you that EMAs looks very, very bearish, and it will probably do something like this, and exactly that happened. And I don't want to take an entry somewhere around here on DAX, somewhere around here, and market just drops down. So yeah, I want to see that MB. UK 100, if it closes like this, then we have an MB which would support the price to go higher. If it pulls back and closes somewhere here, then I'm expecting prices to go down. So yeah, and if it closes, then I need a double MB and I'm taking an entry. French index, same thing as DAX. I want to see some kind of MB. At the moment we failed this MB. We failed down. We respected the EMAs. EMAs looks more bearish than bullish, and yeah. So I want to see some kind of MB to support the price up, and if that happens, then we'll probably look at it. Then gold, nothing really to do. Now we have MB. I would say this could be the MB if market even pushes higher, pauses, makes a double MB and goes higher. But yeah, we'll see if that happens. At the moment, probably market will do something like this, just because we have huge push this year already on gold. How much it has moved since January? 16%, and gold market cap is $20 trillion, and it has moved 16%. And how much is it? Has moved $3.2 trillion. So yeah, I'm not I will not be surprised if market really wants to just pull back on daily time frame, and then starts to show some kind of strength and build up its momentum by MBs. So yeah, we'll see if that happens. But of course, if market starts to become bullish again, then I will take an entries to go higher. But at the moment, nothing really to do on gold. But again, we have made good money from gold. As you can see, all these entries are good money. All these. So yeah, I will not be surprised if market really wants to pull back, but we'll see. Technicals can change in one candle, so yeah. So at the moment I'll be looking at these pairs, and yeah, so basically I'll be back once something new happens. At the moment there's nothing really to do, so yeah. Back from the gym, took few trades, and yeah, so basically Bitcoin double MB, entry, just put on my stop on a break even. So now just waiting for 1 to 2 for the partial. Then Spanish index, took it on one of my prop firms, it's not on this account. And yeah, just stop is on a break even, waiting for first partial. And French index also took it right here, stop on a break even, waiting for first partial. Now pulls back, but that's understandable because it was a little too extended, so probably it will stop me out and then keep going. We'll see. Yeah, then DAX already took out a partial, took it right here, basically as the 30-minute double MB. Let's say this is first MB or this is first MB, call it whatever you want. Then the second one took an entry, partial, full take profit right here. So yeah, took out one partial. So yeah, that's basically at the moment, that's it. Nothing else sets up. Actually, the US market looks nice. I will take it as the 1 hour MB if market closes like this. Yeah, something like this. But we'll see, it still has 33 minutes to close and market will open soon, New York Stock Exchange, so yeah. The same for US 100. Then nothing on Euro stocks. It just made huge push. You could say this is the first MB. Now pulling back, so all this is the second MB, so probably would wait for something like this, the fractal inside the second MB. We'll see if that happens. Then Italy, again, the same thing, first MB, second MB. So we could take like this or like this. We'll see if anything happens. And basically that's it for now. UK 100, missed this one. We could call this as the first MB, validation MB as well, somewhere around here. Then second MB right here, should have taken it, but I was at the gym. So yeah, basically that's about it. There is nothing really more. Stocks will open soon. I don't have, on this specific account, I don't have margin to take trades on stocks, unfortunately, because for one stock trade, basically with a risk, let's say $138, I need at least 5k in margin, and at the moment I don't have that. So yeah, but this also looks good. Like this has the first one, this has the second one, and then fractal inside here or here. So it looks good, but I will not take it because I have opened 3 positions now running. So on this account, so yeah, this also first MB, second MB could it looks very nice to keep going, but I don't have margin to take the trades, unfortunately, on stocks. I will take them on one of my private accounts, but we'll see if it opens right here and then pushes right here, because I can take trades only 5 minutes after the opening. And if it will be somewhere here or here, then of course I will not take the entry. If market pulls back, I will just wait for new setup right here, or let's say it pushes higher and then something like this. So that's basically it for now. There's nothing really more. French index probably will stop us out soon at break even. Spanish, I don't know. DAX is pulling back heavily, but at the same time DAX had a huge again push, and it was too extended on entry time frame just by looking at the EMAs. So probably pulling back to EMAs. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out and then keep going higher. Hopefully it does something like this. We'll see. And yeah, just waiting for Bitcoin entry, Bitcoin partial, and yeah, then coffee as well looks fine. This as the first MB, this as the second MB, but not on this account, because again I don't have margin for any more trades, because Bitcoin is taking a lot of margin out of my account. And yeah, as you can see right now, free margin, I have 1.6k, which is not enough to take any more trades. So yeah, it is what it is. But still, we have three positions on this account opened, so hopefully all these hits, and we will probably be at 30k or close to 30k balance. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's wait for these trades to have to finish, and then we'll look at the balance. So yeah, Bitcoin now pushing higher, which is great to see. And by the way, market opened on US market just opened. So if market stays like this 28 more minutes, I will take this trade. We'll see if I have balance for US 500. I think US 500 doesn't need a lot of balance to take a trade. So Bitcoin unfortunately just stopped us out on break even. So that's a break even trade. Nothing really to do at the moment. Probably will keep pushing higher, but nothing to do. Yeah, so at the moment this is first MB, this was the second one. If it makes something like this, then I will take a new entry. If it just keeps going, then that's unfortunate. It is what it is, but yeah, it's a break even. So yeah, DAX still running French, Spanish, and then I'm looking at US market. And as you can see now, my free margin is 14k, so Bitcoin took out 13k of our balance or margin. If I take cryptos, then I can't take any more trades, because yeah, it takes out a lot of margin. But yeah, Bitcoin is a break even. So yeah, let's see how US market, what it does. Basically after 10 minutes I will look and probably take an order, place an order, but yeah, we'll see. If it fails, then nothing to do, then I'll wait for same setup as always. But if it does something like this, then I will take an entry. We'll see. So yeah, gold starts to show something. Still no fractal MB inside here, nothing really to do. Still waiting for that first MB, pause, and probably tomorrow to give me new entries. And yeah, nothing really else sets up. And by the way, I was speaking about this AT&T, and yeah, it just opened too high, couldn't take any trades. Zoom as well, just flying. It is what it is, but yeah, it's sad that I'm not in a trade, but market goes. But yeah, like I said, it is what it is, and I couldn't take any of these stocks because I had still Bitcoin was open. So yeah, yeah, the DAX looks like is dying at the moment. French and Spanish also dying. So yeah, I'll be back once something happens in the market. So I'm back again, and I am in Nasdaq trade. Took it right here, and yeah, just now waiting for more strength to place my stop on a break even, and then partial at 1 to 2 and full take profit at 1 to 4. And yeah, Spanish index on my FTMO didn't stop me out, so I'm still in a trade, and yeah, looking to keep liquidating the highs hopefully. Then DAX still running, starts to reject, hopefully it starts to build something to go higher. And yeah, then I took S&P as well, but not on this account because again I don't have margin for that. And yeah, basically that's about it. French index stopped me out at break even. I don't remember if I already showed it, but yeah, that's a break even. So yeah, basically that's it for now. I'll be back once something new happens. So yeah, like always.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Good morning. So this is next day. I just didn't had much time to film yesterday, and I wasn't at home. So yeah, basically right now it's 10 a.m. I'll probably end this video right now and start new video for today, which I will post later on in the evening today. But yeah, so basically let's wrap this video up, and basically I'll show you trades that I took. So I have this one since yesterday, still at full risk. Will place my stop on a break even once we hit once I see some more strength, once we hit 0.8R. Once that happens, yeah, I'll place my stop on a break even by US 100. I took it right here yesterday, once market opened somewhere around that, and basically nothing happened. And now finally we had, at the end of the day, in the evening, we had a push. I placed my stop on a break even, and market pulled back during the night, and hopefully now it starts to build strength and keeps on going to liquidate highs or whatever it wants to liquidate. Yeah, but it's risk-free. Then Spain index, which I took on one of my prop firms, still running. Then I took coffee. Coffee isn't open yet. Yeah, coffee right now sits at, it looks pretty bad. Hopefully it does something like this. We'll see, of course. Then we had DAX trade that hit full take profit just a few minutes ago. And yeah, that's basically it. I took S&P as well yesterday, but not on this account because I didn't have margin. I had Spanish, I had index open, I had US 100, I had DAX, I had French index, so I didn't have margin. But US 500 basically stopped me out on one of my prop firms right here. So yeah, but I didn't took it on this account. Yeah, so that's about it. By the way, missed this entry, beautiful entry, but yeah, fucking missed it. It is what it is. I will not complain. Yeah, right now we are at 21k balance, and yeah, so for now that's it for this video, and see you guys later.